tagged as the girl on fire. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Darlene Vivares. Hello, Darlene. Good morning. Afternoon na pala, sorry. Next, he is from Team Bamboo. He plays third and is a ball of energy with a charm that can win you over in an instant. He became an instant favorite among the Boys Kids roster because of his smooth voice, his undeniable wit and sense of humor. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Juan Carlos Labajo. Hello, JK. Next up, from Team Sarah, he is the runner-up to the Boys Kids Grand Champion and is tagged as Mr. Domino and the total performer. Ladies and gentlemen, Darren Espanto. And of course, last but not the least, from Team Sarah, she is the little girl that her small frame and big voice has surprised Filipinos all over the world after her trending The Boys Kids Blind Edition. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the one, the only Boys Kids Grand Champion and our little superstar, Laika Gayalanon. Ayan. Good, people na Laika. Ayan. Good afternoon, and Laika, guys, any message to our friends from the press? Laika, ano message mo sa kanila na nandito ngayon?
Good afternoon po. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ayun po.
Ay, popcorn. Hello po. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you po sa mga pumunta.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you po sa pag-invite. Ito po.
Buko, malapakan naman natin ang mga kids natin. And most of you noticed the nice music video that we are playing earlier today. And of course, part po yun ng 20th year ng Jollibee Maaga ang Pasko, the country's biggest and longest running toy and book donation drive. For its 20th year, gumawa po ang Jollibee a special music video featuring its brand ambassadors like Sara Geronimo, Nadine Lustre, the original Jollibee Toy Scout Aga Mulang, at ilang pang celebrities like Gary Vee and John Prats to help spread the early Christmas cheer to the kids. And of course, kasama sa all-star cast ang ating Boys Kids na sina Laika, Darren, JK at Darlene ay ibahagi din sa Metro Manila ang launch ng Maagang Pasko. Hindi lang po sila magagaling kumanta, and they're also willing to help other kids like them na may experience on Happy Christmas. And today, may surprise po sa inyong lahat sina Laika, Darren, Darlene at JK. At para maramdaman po natin ang, of course, ang tunay na diwa ng Pasko, to sing the official Maagang Pasko jingle. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's welcome the Boys Kids, Laika, Darren, Juan Carlos,